Hey, want to create studio quality videos using nothing but your script and a spark of creativity? Welcome to VideoExpressAI, your all-in-one AI video studio. But don't take my word for it. Let's jump into it.
With VideoExpressAI, your words become motion, instantly generate stunning video avatars, background scenes, and professional voiceovers in just minutes.
I'm made of clay, but even I can make videos that look like this. Yep, you can produce training videos, explainer videos, even YouTube content without lifting a camera.
As you can see, VideoExpressAI makes great videos. And here's the best part, you can get VideoExpressAI right now for a one-time payment. No credits and no monthly subscription, and you get to try it out for free.
Each frame tells your story, and with VideoExpressAI, your story looks epic.
Want a vertical video? Horizontal? It's all just a click away.
And it's not just about looks. Our AI avatars speak over 40 languages. Need your video in Spanish? Hindi? German? Easy. And yes, subtitles, music, transitions, done automatically.
The future of video creation is here. Whether you're a solopreneur, a teacher, a startup, or a whole enterprise, VideoExpressAI empowers your voice.
Don't just watch videos. Create them faster, better, smarter with VideoExpressAI.
You can easily create spokesmodels like me to showcase your products.
This video was made completely with VideoExpressAI. Try VideoExpressAI for free today. Click the link below to see what my bonuses are, and do it right now.